Start by opening a file in your team drive that you would like to sync. Syncing your docs, PDFs, spreadsheets, and presentations will back up your file and continuously update it as you and your team continue to work on it. In the top right, you'll notice a new button titled Save To. After clicking the Save To button, you'll now have the option to save to any of your other cloud storage accounts like OneDrive, Sharepoint, Box, and more. In this video, we'll be saving our Google Doc from our team drive to Dropbox. After clicking the Save button, your Google Doc is now synced to Dropbox. Your files are now synced. CloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.